Children. So after a long time, I'm in front of you. Very sadly, you are not in front of me. It's a long gap now, but so far Council is not in a mood to do anything with the syllabus. So it's a vast syllabus, so we thought might as well we take a class. Well, this is not a physical class, but it's a virtual classroom. So I think all the teachers are teaching physics, chemistry, biology. For maths, I am starting today. And this will all be uploaded in the school website. A message is already gone, but class 12 is not uploaded yet because we have not recorded it. So class 12 will start with physics, chemistry and biology we already had recorded, will be uploaded soon. Maths I am starting. So all the best, stay in, stay safe, study hard. Okay? So I start with matrices. Now I am starting with matrices is, you have already done matrices in class 10. So I am going further than class 10. Now if you have any doubts about class 10 matrices, you can go to the website, upload class 10 matrices. That's I think 3.1, 3.2 it will be. So there, in fact, only for you I have done matrices first in class. That's at my third class. So you can go through the matrices of class 10. You can review that. I will start further down for you. Mind, it will be 8 marks question from the chapter. 2 marks from the very first part where it's compulsory. Some of it is of class 10. A little bit I didn't do there, which I will do now. And then I go on to that 6 marks question. So once again, be serious, start working. So here it is. So here matrices I am starting with. Please refer, I wrote class 10 matrix chapters and practice a few. Now what I haven't done there is transpose of a matrix. Well, transpose of a matrix is changing rows into columns or columns into rows. So if you interchange rows into columns, it's a transpose. So supposing A is this, then transpose of A, it's written like this, AT or A dash somewhere. Transpose of A will be the first column becomes the first row and the second column becomes the second row. So this is transpose of a matrix. Okay? With the basis of transpose, this is again not in 10, symmetric matrices. If a matrix A is equal to its transpose, the matrix is said to be symmetric. And skew symmetric matrix if the sign of the matrix change by changing the rows into columns, it is skew symmetric matrix. So this is what is the basic of mathematics which I have done or not in class 10. I come to one or two sum here. Now that's I said compulsory section 2 marks question. So it's a 2 marks question. You have to prove that A plus A dash stands for the transpose of a matrix. So A plus A dash is symmetric to this matrix. Now A is given, transpose of the matrix is this. So A plus A dash so A plus A dash, you get this, and that's symmetric. Okay, now I come to the class 12 part basically. Now class 12 part, transpose of a matrix adjoint or adjugate of a matrix inverse of a matrix So this is what we will be doing: transpose of a matrix, adjoint or adjugate of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, and solving linear simultaneous equation with the help of the matrix. Now, with all this, multiplication of two matrices will be applicable, which we need. You have done it in class 10, but basically it's 2 by 2 matrices or 2 by 1 matrix which you have multiplied with. I am going a little higher, which we will be using it. So I first start with multiplication of matrices. Now multiplication of matrices, now as you know, two matrices are comfortable for multiplication if the number of columns in the prefactor, that is the first matrix on the left, is equal to number of rows in the postfactor, that is the matrix on the right. So here I am taking a matrix, square matrix of order 3 first. Now A is equal to, say, this. So these are the two matrices. We have to find AB. Now look, if this is a square matrix of the same order, you can always multiply it. Now here The order is 3 by 3. This is also 3 by 3. Number of columns here is 3. Number of rows here is 3 by 3. So that's equal. You can multiply. Now multiplying a matrix with another matrix. We multiply the rows with columns. Well, please pay attention here. The rows with columns, that is the first row with the first column, first row with the second column, first row with the third column, and we repeat this with the second row and third row. So multiplying the first row with the first column. So the first row is 2, here it's 1, plus 1 into 4, minus 3 into minus 2. Well, make it a habit. If there's a negative number, put it in bracket. So first row with the first column, then first row with the second column, and then the first row with the third column. And in between the product, the positive sign has to be there. So multiplying and adding. See, look at these. Now we repeat the same with the second row, first column. So second row 0 into 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2. Now look at this, 0 into 1, 1 into 4, 4 into minus 2. Then this 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. And then second row with the third column, so 0 into 3 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 4. Then third row with the first column. So third row 4 into 1 plus 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 2. Then 4 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. And then here again 4 into 3 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into 4. And then simplify it. So that's 2 plus 4 plus 6. It's 0 plus 4 minus 8. It's 4 plus 8 minus 2. Then simplifying this, it's 0 plus 1 minus 3, 0 plus 1 plus 2, 0 plus 2 plus 1. Here it is 6 minus 3 minus 12, 0 minus 3 plus 8, 12 minus 6 plus 4. So this is how we multiply the matrices. I'll do another one for you, giving a little easier method. Actual method